And I'm going to start by putting some brown sugar in the pan. I'm only going to cook them a little bit just to get them a little soft. I want a dash of cinnamon in here. About a half a teaspoon. And I'm going to use a 1/4 cup of heavy cream. In the meantime, while the apples are cooking, this is the pan I'm going to use. And I've got a stick of butter in there that I'm going to melt. In here, we're going to put 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of self-rising flour. We're going to add just a pinch of cinnamon to this mix. There we go. We're going to add 1 cup of milk. All right, our butter's melted. We're going to pour our mix right into the butter. I'm not going to stir it. And yeah, there's a couple of lumps. That's okay. They'll cook in the oven. I'm going to use approximately 2 cups of apples. Give or take. And we're going to put this right in the oven, cooking it at 375 for about 45 minutes. Apple cobbler just came out of the oven. It looks beautiful. It is actually still boiling. And we're going to dish some out. Hopefully it's not too hot. It was light and fluffy. It smells amazing. Ooh, that is a toasty hot piece of cobbler, let me tell you. Look at that.